Those solar panels working pretty good right now.
This afternoon, anyway. It was pretty cloudy this morning, and we had some of the rainfall we had anticipated. Just not very much, but boy, it moved out quickly, didn't it? Skies have become clear across the area this afternoon, at least mostly clear, and the temperature is real warm behind that little Pacific front that moved through. More of a dry line, really. The air has really become dry, and with that little westerly wind that's followed it, temperatures shot up into the 80s this afternoon. 83 right now in the city after our high today of 85. At 8 o'clock tonight, the sun will be down, and with the air dry, the temperature is going to fall pretty quickly, but 66 degrees is still looking pretty good. By 10 o'clock, though, I suspect we're down into the 50s already and headed much lower overnight. You might be surprised how cool it will be when you wake up first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now, look at there, 81 in Llano, 83 in Blanco, 82 in Georgetown. Even over in the eastern counties where the system moved out latest, it made it to 80 in LaGrange, 78 up in Giddings. Mostly clear in Austin, 83. Look at the low humidity now, though, how quickly it changed behind the rain. Heavy downpours at times around the lunch hour. And here we are at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Humidity's down to 14%, 15% out at the airport with a temperature of 85 degrees. Winds have gone westerly. That's what's dried us out. A 7-mile-per-hour wind in the city. At the airport, the wind's west-northwest at 9. Sunset tonight at 6:27. Mole count today was medium. Cedar still hanging on at 531. That's high, actually. Really late for us to be seeing this kind of a cedar count late in the season. Elm at 11 low. We think tomorrow Mole will be a little bit higher, but cedar and elm trees should be lower around the area. Temperatures real warm everywhere. Look at this, 80 degrees all the way up into Dallas, but then you get up into Oklahoma, 41 in Oklahoma City, 49 in Amarillo. That's a little taste of what's coming our way tonight. There you can see that line of showers and thunder showers that developed, moved quickly across the metro area and already beginning to head east and out of the state, but some nasty thunderstorms up in Arkansas. Several counties right now under tornado warning there in east central parts of Arkansas. Our next weather maker, it's up here. It's going to roll right down the California coast like the last one did and move across the state on Sunday. I don't think we have quite as good a chance of rain with that next one. What we're probably going to get out of that is a lot of wind and probably a pretty high fire danger on Sunday. Between now and then, beautiful tomorrow. The clouds begin to increase on Saturday as that next system approaches and starts drawing up that southerly flow off the Gulf of Mexico. Probably some fog, a little bit of drizzle maybe by Sunday morning. Now, here's the big story tonight. By tomorrow morning, we should see temperatures in many rural areas falling into the 30s. I think we won't go below the low to mid 40s right in Austin, but places like down in Del Valle around the airport, maybe as cold as the middle 30s. And then tomorrow, high temperatures should be just real nice. Again, in the dry air, it cools down at night, but it sure warms up nicely in the day, and we're looking at low 70s, I think, tomorrow. Beautiful Friday. Tonight, in Austin, let's go 45, but a little cooler than that most other locations. And skies clear, and winds going northwesterly, and that'll take us tomorrow, that dry wind, up to 73 in the afternoon with a lot of sunshine. And on the 7-day forecast, told you tomorrow was going to be great. Clouds thicken up a little on Saturday, but the afternoon's super, 75 degrees. On Sunday, that next system moves across the state with a slight chance of a little patchy light rain, still mild. And then we're still looking pretty good next week, highs in the low 70s each day. We'll just see some pretty cool mornings.